Hello everybody, Foxy the Elegance here at Petardo, and today I'm going to show you how to mod in player skins on your Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. To start off with, you need Grand Theft Auto San Andreas prepared to be modded. You need to be able to make a moddable copy. If you don't know how to do this, I'll put a link in the description below to my video showing you how to do so. Assuming that you have your files ready, let's start. The first thing you'll need is a skin selector. I'll put a link to these in the description as well. Here you can hit download and it should automatically download. If not, you can hit start download and download it that way. Once you have it downloaded, it'll look like this file. Numbers skinselector.zip. Open this up and you'll have Clio and data and a readme file. Up here you want to open Clio and you want to copy these and drop them into your Clio folder. Like so. Next step is to take what's in your data folder here and copy it over to your data folder over here and hit copy and replace. Once you've done that, you've installed your skin selector. The next step is to get an image editor. There's multiple different image editors, but I use Spark Image Editor, and you can get it here. Over here is where you can download it. After you've downloaded it, it's right here. Open it up. Okay, now you'll want to make a folder somewhere, and we'll just call it Spark, and copy these files into that folder. The next step is to find a player skin that you want to use. In this example, we're going to use this Light Honey Whip CUL skin. And here you can go to download and download it. After you've gotten it, the file should look like this, lighthoneyWhipCul.rar. Open this file up, and in here you'll find a TXT and a DFF file. These are the files that you're going to use. To install these, we want to open up Spark, or run spark.exe. In this window, you want to go to Open, and browse for your Grand Theft Auto San Andreas folder. Once you're in here, go to Clio and look for skin.image. This is the one you want to open. In here there'll be two files installed already called Renko. This is a character that they've already added. What you want to do is you want to copy both of these files and drag and drop them in here. You'll notice when you put them in, they're in bold. That means they're not saved yet. So you go up here to the little floppy disk image where it says save, and hit save, and it saves it into the file. Once you're done with that, you can close that out. Now it's time to run the game and make sure that it got in there okay. Now we're back in the game. To open the skin selector menu, hold down Tab, Q, and scroll your scroll wheel down. Once you've done this, then it'll bring you to this menu. Once at this menu, you can hit space to see your add-on skins. So you hit space, and you'll see the one that's already there, and you'll see yours. Now hit space to apply which one you want. So we'll hit space, and it applies it. Hit enter, the one on the middle, not the one on the numpad of the keyboard. Hit enter, also known as return. Hit that one to go back. Hit it again to exit the menu. Now you've got your player model that you wanted to install installed. And this is what our player model looks like in a car. Now there are some exceptions that need certain attention in order to get them to work. The first example I'm going to use is this Vito Greaser version 1.2 player model skin. In this one they give you the ability to have a hat or not have a hat. So first we're going to download it. Here's the file downloaded. It's vitogreaser.rar. First thing you'll notice is that there's 3 files instead of just 2. There's Vito Greaser and there's no hat and hat. We're going to open spark.exe and we're going to open skin.image. And then you want to figure out if you want a hat or no hat. We're going to go with hat on this one. So we're going to select hat and Vito Greaser. Copy them over to here. Once they're over here, hit save, save them. Now if we launch this, the game's not going to recognize the skins there because both of these files have different names. So what we need to do is we need to name both of these the same name so it will recognize it. So we'll name both of them Veto. After that, hit save. Now we're going to launch the game, make sure it worked. Now we're back in the game. We'll open the menu by holding Tab Q and hitting the scroll down button. After we do that, then we can hit space to access our add-ons. Go down to Veto and hit space to apply, and hit enter, then hit enter again to exit. And now he's our player model. Pretty cool. The next example I'm going to use is John Marston from Red Dead Redemption skin. I want to download this one. Once it's downloaded, you'll have skin John Marston from Red Dead Redemption. Open this up. Now open up Spark. Browse to your skin.image file. Okay, here we'll see the two files, SWAT. We'll copy these both over, drop them, and save them. If we tried to launch the game like this and tried to apply it, it would crash. The reason why is because whoever made this mod named the files SWAT. When they're named SWAT, it contradicts the files that are in the game and wants to replace something that already exists, so it crashes. What we do to fix this is just name both of these files a different name. So we're going to name both of these files John, because that's who it is. So, John. So name both of them John and save them. And then exit out. Now we'll run the game and make sure it worked. Alright, we're back in the game. We'll open up our menu. And now we can see John. So we'll hit space to apply, enter, enter. And now we're John. Hope this helped you guys. I tried to find a few good examples to show certain things that can come up with it and the ways to fix them. In the next video, I'll be doing how to install car mods. So see you then. Foxy the Elegance out.